My name is Vineet and I am a student of BSc Chemistry Honours final year. Today I am performing an inorganic chemistry practical, that is to prepare mercuric tetrathiocyanato cobaltate plus 2. So the requirements are round bottom flask, 2 to 300 ml beakers, 2 gram cobalt chloride and approximately 2 gram of mercuric chloride, 2 gram mercuric chloride and approximately 3 gram of ammonium thiocyanate. So these are the requirements of our experiment. Now first we will take 2 gram of cobalt chloride in a round bottom flask. We will take this amount in the round bottom flask and then we will take 20 ml of distilled water in a measuring cylinder and then transfer this 20 ml of distilled water into the round bottom flask to make a solution, that is by constantly stirring it, constantly shaking it so that cobalt chloride solution is formed. Constantly shaking it with the help of hands. Now transfer this round bottom flask solution into a separate beaker for better replacement. Now this is our cobalt chloride solution we have taken in this beaker. Now we are finally thoroughly mixing it with the help of a glass rod. Now this is 3 gram ammonium thiocyanate. Now we'll add this amount into our respective solution, that is cobalt chloride solution, and then constantly stirring it with the help of a glass rod first, and after shaking it well for some time so that a dark purple type solution is obtained first. Now keep this solution in water bath for about 5 to 6 minutes so that it gets warmed slowly. Keep this solution into a water bath for up to 5 to 6 minutes so that it gets heated up to properly, and stand it for some time to allow to cool. Now take 10 ml of distilled water in a measuring cylinder and transfer it into a beaker. Now add 2 gram of mercuric chloride into this 10 ml of distilled water taken in this beaker and make the respective solution of this mercuric chloride, that is mercury chloride solution, by stirring it with the help of a glass rod. So we are making a mercury chloride solution by stirring it with a glass rod first and then shaking slowly for some time so that the crystals gets dissolved well. Now transfer first solution into this mercury chloride solution so that mercury tetrathiocyanate solution is finally formed. Now shake it well for some times, constantly shaking it for some time so that the color changes from red to blue, that is dark blue. This is the color of the solution after constantly shaking for some time and allowing it to stand for some time. This is the color of the solution, and this is the solution we have made, that is copper tetrathiocyanate. Now finally filtering this solution it with the help of a Wattman filter paper so that we obtain crystals of this. So first we will filter the solution with the help of the Buckner funnel and keep the precipitates. Now filter the solution properly for some times so that we have required number of precipitates. So the filtration process is going on. and we'll get our crystals. We'll get our precipitate first. And this is the mother liquor in another beaker. Now take the precipitates separate, because these are the precipitate, and allow it to stand for 2 days, up to 2 days. So these are the crystals of mercuric tetrathiocyanato cobaltate plus 2 ion. So we have to weigh on a weighing machine. And the weight of the precipitate comes out to be 1.95 grams.